Sorry, question on discussion board. So suppose that a single card is drawn from a standard 52 deck. What is the probability that the card is a spade? So for here we're going to find the probability card drawn from 50 is spade. We got 52 cards, 13 of them are spades. So 13 out of 52, that's a fourth of the deck. Hope it helps. Now there's another part here. It says, now suppose a single card is drawing from the deck and we're told that the card's black. What is the probability of the spade? So probability that we get a spade given that we're only selecting from the black cards in the deck. Well, there's 26 black cards in the deck and 13 of them are spades, or half the black cards are spades. That'd be the second part. Hope that helps.